some O's? Alright, I'm gonna put you on the video. I don't got gas either. These V8s, bro, no gas. Right.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to go. Stock. Stock. Where are we going? Alrighty guys, we're going to be going over how my Mustang 5.0 is on gas mileage. I'm getting 15.5 miles per gallon right now. And yeah, it's almost on empty as you guys can see, like always. But yeah, I'll just be going over, basically that's around what I usually average, around 15 miles per gallon, or about 16 usually. Right now it's a little bit low because I've been going a little bit hard on it, and I do a lot of city driving rather than highway driving because my commute is pretty short, usually just driving city miles. But yeah, let's go for a drive in and I'll talk to you guys more about some things you guys can do to get better gas mileage. Alright, so usually when I'm driving, if you have a 5 you're gonna know, I usually put it in trip mode, or the where it says trip fuel, and then if you scroll up and down, it's going to take you to the settings or to the menus, and I usually go to this one right here because this one shows your current miles per gallon. And yeah, basically if I want to get good gas mileage, you want to keep that bar as close as you can to the top. So basically where it says 40, you want to keep it as high as you can while you're driving. And yeah, that's gonna be, it's whenever you're doing highway driving, it's gonna be up there. If you're driving efficiently, yeah, it's gonna be up there. But yeah, I mean, there's multiple ways you can get good gas mileage. Say you're getting bad gas mileage, what I would sometimes do is on the highway I would just reset the gas mileage, and yeah, it just brings it back down all the way to 0. It resets it, and then yeah, you just drive on the highway and bring it all the way up. I mean, I've gotten like 25, between 25 and 30 on the highway if I keep driving efficiently, if I reset it. And yeah, if you just keep driving around, and then usually it'll get set at that. But like I said, if you do city driving, it's gonna start dropping, or if you're not driving conservatively, then it's gonna start dropping. But yeah, I mean, the main thing is, I mean, if you're not driving conservatively and you're driving in the city, you're gonna get bad gas mileage. I mean, I'm getting 15.5, which is not terrible, but I mean, you can get better. I've gotten like 17, 18 in the city before, but yeah, that's what I usually average around, is 15. And my car is tuned. It does have an intake, it does have long tube headers, and yeah, I mean, I don't get terrible gas mileage. What is this guy doing, bro? He almost got in my lane. Can't drive. But yeah, that's usually what I average, around 15. And yeah, I mean, it's honestly on how hard you're beating on the car. If you're gonna beat on it like every day, you're gonna get bad gas mileage. But I would think like most 5.0s, they would get between like 12 to 18. I mean, some people get better. But yeah, I mean, that's about it. I mean, if you drive mainly highway, you're probably gonna get better gas mileage rather than someone that drives city. But yeah, I mean, I get 15. I drive pretty rough. Damn, these streets are so bumpy. So yeah, the gas mileage is 15 city, 25 highway. That's what Ford has it rated as, and 18 miles per gallon combined. So yeah, I mean, I'm getting right what Ford has it rated as for city. But I mean, I've seen people get less, I've seen people get worse. I mean, honestly, it just depends on how you drive. And like I said, highway driving, how hard you beat on the car. And yeah, like I said, I mean, you can go on the highway and you can reset it and bring it back up. But I mean, like I said, it's probably gonna fall right back down. I mean, I've done that a couple times. Try to reset it and then bring it back up. But yeah. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little video. I just wanted to put an informational video out for you guys. If you guys have any more suggestions for this, my Mustang 5.0, my Scat Pack Charger, just put it down in the comments below, or you can DM me on Instagram. Yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys like. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.